Hi, and welcome to 요리해. My name is Paul, and today we'll be making rice with black bean sauce, or JjajangBap. It's usually served with noodles called Jjajang-myeong. This is our main ingredient. This is black bean paste. This one's already roasted, so we won't be cooking this for very long. If it's not roasted, you'll cook it 10 to 15 minutes in the recipe. Okay, today, here's what we'll need. About a cup of oil, our black bean paste. You'll need 1 egg, sliced cucumber, chopped green onion, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of starch. Here we're using tapioca starch. 1 sliced onion, 1 cup sliced cabbage. Today we're using dumpling. These are fried dumplings. Heat up the wok and add oil. Add your black bean paste and stir fry. Once it's cooked, set aside and reheat the wok, adding oil if necessary. Add your onion first and stir fry for a minute. Add green onion next. Add your dumplings, or meat if you prefer. Add the cooked black bean paste and mix. Add the sugar. In a separate bowl, mix the starch with a cup of water. Add to the wok and mix. Fry an egg for serving. Serve rice on a plate. Scoop the sauce over the rice. Add cucumber slices and fried egg for garnish. I hope you found today's recipe useful. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check back next time when we have the next video ready. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.